Introducing the latest in LED grow light technology, the LED 3.0 by HTG Supply. At the heart of the 3.0 LED is this specially engineered full-spectrum COB lighting array designed specifically for robust plant growth. This super bright, super intense, and incredibly efficient COB design allows for greater light output, lower heat, and increased reliability. The 3.0 LED combines COB technology with these high-output 5-watt single-core LED chips to achieve a greater PAR spectrum and includes UVA and IR spectrums. By combining these two LED technologies, the 3.0 LED achieves an amazing 1.96 micromoles per watt. The 3.0 LED features a 100,000 plus hour rated lifespan, the latest energy efficient full spectrum cool running LED technology, top quality reliable components, active cooling and heat sinks, and comes with a full 2-year warranty. The 3.0 LED is the only upgradeable and customizable LED grow light system on the market, utilizing interchangeable modular pods that can be swapped out using only a Phillips head screwdriver. The 3.0 allows you to customize your light with different spectrums and also allows for future upgrades when new LED technology comes to the market. The 3.0 LED comes in 7 different models, seen here from the single pod 90 watt all the way up to the 9 pod 810 watt units for serious production. Exclusively at hdsupply.com.
Thank you.